Another day, another story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you 3 games that you can play to learn coding. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, these games will help you improve your coding skills while having fun. Let's start with the first game, SQL Mystery. SQL Mystery is a puzzle game that helps you learn SQL, which is the standard language for managing relational databases. In each level, you'll be given a problem to solve using SQL queries, and you'll get instant feedback on whether your answer is correct or not. This game is perfect for anyone who wants to learn the basics of SQL, or for experienced programmers who want to brush up on their skills. Our second game is Code Combat. Code Combat is a multiplayer coding game that teaches you how to code in Python, JavaScript, and other programming languages. You'll control your character using code, and you'll complete quests and challenges to level up and unlock new abilities. With its engaging gameplay and interactive tutorials, Code Combat is a great way to learn coding for kids and adults alike. Our final game is Coding Game. Coding Game is a platform that offers a variety of coding challenges and puzzles in different programming languages. You can choose from a wide range of challenges, from basic programming exercises to complex algorithms, and you'll get instant feedback on your solution. With its challenging and diverse gameplay, Coding Game is a great way to improve your coding skills and keep your mind sharp. So those are the 3 games you can play to learn coding. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you'll give these games a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video.